Would you like to know how to replace the drum unit to the Fuji Xerox DocucPrint C5005d copier? Let's get started right now. First, open the front cover. Rotate the release lever of the drum unit cover counterclockwise. Then lower the cover. Grasp the handle of the drum unit and gently slide out the drum unit. Hold the bottom of the drum unit and pull it out from the machine.
A few moments later.
Pick up the new drum cartridge. Carefully remove the protective black cover. Insert the new drum unit in the hollows in the machine. Push the drum unit until it stops.
Later.
Slowly slide out the cleaning bars housed within the lead printhead until it stops. Cleaning the 4 lead printheads be sliding the cleaning bars back and forth for 2 or 3 times, respectively. Return the cover to the original position. Rotate the release lever clockwise to lock the cover. Close the front cover.